it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am really excited about this one. This is the pastel tie-dye collection that is being released with the Back to School line 2021 from the Happy Planner. These items for now will only be available on the Happy Planner website. So you will want to grab these on Friday, April 23rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Alrighty, and I will have a link in the description below, as well as the discount codes that you're going to want to use to save on all these items. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's start down here. Alrighty, so this is a Happy Notes. It's got lined paper. It's the dotted lined paper. So let's check it out. Alrighty, we will open this up. Okay. So let's see. You are strong and brave, and it's got that really pretty pastel tie-dye. Oh, look at the back of that. How pretty is that? And then this is just a very soft dotted line gray. And in the corner here, it says, do what you love what you do. How perfect is that? So that's how the paper is. It's got small kind of that pink color dots in the center with a couple stars. And then we've got here again, love what you do what you love. And this is on the green and blue tie-dye. How pretty is that? And then the last divider is good vibes only with the stripes, with the pink and kind of orangey salmon color. All right, so that is the Happy Notes in this tie-dye collection. Now there are more items in the tie-dye collection. I just have a few samples of them, but there is also a really fun pastel pen pouch that you can attach with the elastic to your planner. So be sure to check that one out as well. But I received this one. Check this out. This is the Silicone Pen Case. And it is so pretty. It's got the pastel tie-dye on it. I love the way these feel, these little silicone ones. You can stick all your pens and take them on the go. This is great for students too. They can just throw it in their backpack. So many things you can do with this one. So this is definitely a favorite. You're going to want to grab this one. And then next up, we've got these plastic envelopes. Let's open them up and take a look and see. I feel like I'm doing some kind of ASMR video with all the crinkling. Sorry. Okay. So we've got, let's take a look. We've got Good Vibes, Live a Life of Endless Wonder, and Oh How Lovely. These are so pretty. I'm a huge fan of these. I love sticking these in my planner for receipts, coupons. I use them for memory keeping to hold photos. So I love these snap-in folders. I'm sorry. Yeah. Envelopes, not folders. All right. Let's take a look at this planner. This one is awesome. And it's very different from all of the other planners that were released in this collection because it's a classic vertical layout. And check out that holographic Hello Good Times on there. Alrighty. And it's got some purple glitter discs. They're like a soft purple with almost like a silver glitter in there. All right, let's take a look at this one. So again, it's got the nice clean inside so you can kind of decorate it any way you want. That's actually my favorite. I love when they're like this because then I can do all the colors on the page and change it up every week. So here we go. And it starts in August and runs through July of 2022. And we've got the clean lines there. And then a very, very simple black and white vertical thin line layout. This one is perfect. So you've got this, but then you're going to have your fun dividers every month. So this one, Keep Reaching for Your Dreams. Good Vibes Only. You've got Magic. You're Strong and Brave. I love that purple just in the graphic letters. It's so awesome. She's a dreamer who sees possibility everywhere she goes. Be filled with wonder. Again, the word art is so pretty with the tie-dye. And love what you do what you love. Hello, good times. Make today great. Have a thankful heart and a positive mind. And this is, wild, free, totally happy. That is probably my favorite one. All right, and then next up, we've got some stickers. Now, this does not have our classic 30-sheet sticker book. It's got one of these, which are a lot of fun. I love the foil and the holographic foil on this one. So let's check it out. We've got some hearts, stars, and triangles, and these really pretty circles with the tie-dye. These are on clear sticker paper, and they've got that holographic foil on there. And then here we have some word art with the black and white with the tie-dye. And these are also on clear. Oh, I love this. Fun, fun, fun. Live your dream. Be true to you. These are so, again, I love the graphic, bold words. And then we've got some little headers. Today, important, remember, love this. Fun day, the plan. Those are perfect. And then some longer ones here. Chase your dream, stay wild and free. And those all have the kind of that holographic foil. And then these, let's see what they say here. Make today great. You are amazing. She's a dreamer. And what else? I swear I saw something else on there. Probably not. You are amazing. These are so pretty. Again, they're all on the clear, so you can put them on your paper, in your planner, you can do a journal using that happy notes. The possibilities are endless, but this one I have a feeling is going to be a favorite. So if you want any of this collection, I suggest grabbing it from the Happy Planner site, because that's where it's going to be this Friday. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you would hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications with future videos from me. These products go on sale Friday, April 23rd at 9 Pacific Standard Time. And there are links to the discount codes down below in the description. Thanks so much and have a great day.